navigating the shadows, understanding, stabbing in the dark. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of English idioms, focusing on the phrase, stabbing in the dark. Idioms can be tricky for learners because they often can't be understood directly from the words that make them up. But don't worry, we're here to shed some light on this particular phrase so that you can use it confidently in your conversations. Stabbing in the dark is an idiom that means making a guess without having sufficient information or knowledge about something. It's like trying to hit a target in complete darkness where you can't see what you're aiming at. This expression is often used to describe a situation where someone is trying to solve a problem or make a decision without having a clear idea of what the right choice is. Understanding where idioms come from can often help us remember them more easily. The phrase, stabbing in the dark, likely comes from the literal idea of trying to hit or attack something without being able to see it, which would be a difficult and uncertain endeavor. Over time, it has come to be used metaphorically to describe any attempt to do something without clear knowledge or insight. Now that you know what it means, let's see how to use stabbing in the dark in a sentence. Here are a few examples. Without the data from last quarter, predicting the next trend is just stabbing in the dark. I've never fixed a car before, so trying to repair the engine was like stabbing in the dark. Choosing a gift for Marta without knowing her tastes felt like stabbing in the dark. These examples show that the idiom can be used in various contexts, from business and work to personal tasks and decisions. Understanding idioms like stabbing in the dark not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the nuances of the English language. Remember, idioms are a window into the culture and thought processes of native speakers. We hope this video has illuminated this particular phrase for you and that you're now more comfortable using it in your own conversations. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!